Another little pro tip for you: when you come to a stop, check your mirrors. Also peek at the lights here, see what they're doing. Yellow light, red means you're gonna get a green next, right? So you can be prepared to take off. Do a quick walk around on this thing, right? Check out this Corvette. Super sick. Like this little Honda too, all the little anime stickers on it. Yeah, this thing's pretty sick. Pretty sweet. Told that guy in the yellow shirt he looked very dapper. Because he did. I'm sure you could probably tell just from the footage. Yeah, he was looking pretty sharp. Nothing special, right? A pair of khakis and a little polo shirt or something. And a little Jerry curl with the hairdo, but yeah, it was a good look. Working well for him, hopefully. I don't know, his girlfriend didn't seem that stoked. Looked like I was more attracted to him than she was. Checking the mirrors, friction zone. Say what's that? They're like matching bikes, huh? Kind of look like a couple of little 250s or 300s, maybe even 400s. The way that they got going. Seem like some little smaller motors maybe. Yeah, it's pretty beautiful out. Nice time for a ride. Too bad I just put my bike in the shop. At least we'll be delivering Instructor Val's bike to her, so she'll be stoked. She can go ride it. Got a right-hand drive Subaru. I swear there was nobody in the driver's seat, but there was a passenger sitting there in the passenger seat. Might have had a right-hand drive conversion going on or something. Pretty cool. Yeah, anytime you get to a stoplight, red light, intersection, whatever, just hang out in first gear. Ideally, I want both your hands on your grips, that way you can give it throttle and punch it if you need to. But I want you hanging out, playing in and out of this friction zone, ensuring that you're in gear, that you have power, ready to go to that rear wheel if necessary. Then I can just ease my clutch out, give it some juice, and zip out of here if need be. If I get a green arrow like this, just take off, boom. Just like that. Just want you to launch it and get yourself out of there. You're about to get hit from behind. Launch that thing. Give you the Arnie of the day. You got to get out. Get out there. You got to get out. Yep, get out. Another little pro tip for you: when you come to a stop, check your mirrors. Also peek at the lights here, see what they're doing. Yellow light, red means you're gonna get a green next, right? So you can be prepared to take off. Peeking at those cross traffic signals and what their current status is. Give you a little inside information. Information. Watch these guys merging in, kicking everybody over towards me a little. Adjust our mirrors a little bit here now that we're on the road, trying to get a good look at what's to the sides and behind us. This one over here is not seeing much at all. Over here is kind of funky. Maybe you come in a little bit maybe. Notice my lane position as I pulled up. Getting myself situated to be able to slip through that gap if need be. feeling like it's running pretty smooth though. The chain's moving pretty nice and smooth. Maybe I've just been riding my bike recently, and it's got upgraded, you know, stainless or braided brake lines and stuff, but her brakes feel super, I don't know, just not very powerful. Not very powerful. Oh, we got Chiba Huts in the bag. And now we're gonna try to make one quick stop by Natural Grocer, grab a little dessert maybe. And then we'll be homeward bound with Shadow, Chance, and Sassy. Yeah, the bike's feeling pretty smooth at the moment though. Smooth shifts, pretty smooth handling. Test out the braking a little bit. I mean, it's there, it's just kind of weak.